Yes, my dear students, in my previous class, I completed a pronoun in grammar section, and today another exercise in grammar, maybe in previous PUC first year, you have already completed, means letter writing, maybe different types of letter you have learned, maybe leave letter, letter seeking for information, letter giving for information, maybe letter to principal. So, different types of letters last year you have completed, means you have read. Let us this year another same it comes, maybe in letter writing, job application. See, after completion of our degrees, if we apply for any job, we have to first write a application. So, job application. When we, according to our qualification, if they ask in newspaper, come across the advertisement in newspaper, according to our qualification, if they ask to apply, we have to apply for that job. So, job application, there is a format. According to format, we have to follow, and it is also comes in communication. Maybe what are the steps to be there to write in job application. So, we must be very aware. As you are studying in PUC second year, in examination, see, it is a format. What the question will be given in your question paper for this letter writing, job application, read that question. In the advertisement form, that question will be asked and qualification will be there, whom to write, which institution we have to address, and what we are, our qualification, where we are from, everything will be there. Very important thing you have to keep in your mind. Below that, the question below in bracket, specifically they will mention in your question paper, write XXX for name, YY for address. That we have to keep in your mind. If you are really writing application, job application for in some institutions, government, at that time you have to write your address, clear address. But here in your examination, you have to write it XXX, YYY. So, it is a 5 marks. According to that format, if you write without mistake, in a systematic way, step by step, easily you can score 5 marks. Let us see today. Yes. Here in this job application, one thing you should remember, a job application can be written in two ways. In two ways. You have to write it in a two ways. A letter of application, giving all the details. Then second one, here a letter of application in two parts. First A is covering letter, then B is curriculum vitae, maybe we can say resume, even biodata we will call it. So like this. So in this letter writing, here you must keep in your mind two things. Here a job application can be written in two ways. A letter of application giving all the details. So everything in a detail you have to write it in body of the letter. Please listen carefully. In body of the letter you have to write it everything, detail. A letter of application giving all the details. One way. Second way, a letter of application in two parts. Even this job application you can make it two ways. One is a covering letter, another is curriculum vitae. Maybe you can say it biodata. Best way you have to write it biodata. So that is what here. Covering letter. See, you know that steps that you have to remember. Formal letter includes 8 elements. Maybe this one, what? Giving all the detail, a letter of application, job application, giving all the details, that detail to be written in body of the letter, and a letter of application in two parts. First covering letter, then separate you have to write it biodata. Separately in biodata, everything that your information should be there in that biodata. So that's what here. And in formal letter, that 8 elements, they are very important. First one, remember first. And one thing, after 2004 onwards, because of what computers, that format they have changed. Everything you have to write it in left side. That left side you have to write it. All this may be the from address, sender's address, left side. There will be a margin. From that, what you have to write it? Sender's address means from address. But in your examination, here you have to write it. What? I told you, name XXX, address YYY in examination. But if you are really applying for job, there you have to write it your full address. You have to leave 1 or 2 lines below that, then date you have to write it. Then once again space, to address means inside address, to address, to whom we are writing, which institution, which department we are writing, to address. Next comes salutation. After that, here salutation, here subject, line and reference line are optional. But nowadays they are writing, it has become mandatory. But you have, it is better to write subject line, maybe a reference from where, which advertisement you have seen, maybe for what purpose, subject. You are writing that subject, you have to write it after this what salutation. Then body of the letter, it is very important, to the point. See here, for which post you are applying, what are the essentials to be required to that post, to the point you have to write. There you cannot write all the story. Body of the letter. Then complimentary clause, that you have to write. Then signature. Then bracket, in that your name. That you have to remember. So remember here that 8 elements are very important while writing this what job application. Here first one is from address, second one is date, and third one to address, then fourth is salutation, and then comes what subject line or reference line, then body of the letter, then complimentary clause, maybe yours faithfully, yours obediently, yours truly. But one thing, most of the letters we have seen that yours faithfully, they will write it. But in America, what it has become means yours truly, it has become common, yours truly, like that they will write. So complimentary clause, then signature. In that signature, your signature, but here letter, be aware of that. It is in your examination. In really, if you are writing, then signature, here you have to write it XXX, like that. Then enclosures, if any. So here enclosures, in this you have to write it, that biodata you are writing. So that is what here, but because of what biodata, there this word will come, enclosures. Maybe what your biodata, you have to write it. So that is what here we can see. So next here the question they ask in this way in your examination. Question number 32, question number 32 will be there in your question paper, and then 5 marks for this, 5 marks will be there. And write a letter of application in response to the following advertisement which appeared in Deccan Herald dated 7th September 2020. So that is what here. The question will be asked in this way. Write a letter of application in response to the following advertisement which appeared in Deccan Herald dated 7th September 2020. Wanted here. See, wanted. SM Pre-University College, Dharwad invites application from qualified candidates for the post of lecturer in English. Apply within 10 days to the chairman Sri Manjunatheshwara Education Trust, Vidyanagar, Dharwad 580004. Candidates must have passed MA in English with minimum 55% marks. Candidates with experience and good communication skills will be given preference. So this is what you have to understand, what the question they have given. Then according to that you have to write systematically, then only you will get marks 5 out of 5. Even a small mistake, they may cut your marks. So write XXX for your name and YYY for your address. They specified. So this is the question they asked. So now I will give, means I will write this one on board, you can note down. It's important in your grammar part. Already I told you that 50 marks will come from grammar. In that grammar, 5 marks will be there for this job application. So in this job application, what the question they ask, according to that question we have to write it systematically, what they have given. So let us see here. Yes. So question is, already I read that question. First year you have to write it, name and address. They specified, write XXX for your name and YYY for your address. So think it that it is a marginal, and then here XXX, then YYY, name and address. Don't write your personal address in examination. See, it is very few people, they will not accept if you write your address. It is examination. So you have to write it XXX name, YYY address. Next, below that you have to leave space, then what? Date 20, here 7 September 2020. You have to write month name. If it is August, AUG, September, SCPT. Okay. Abbreviation you can write it. No need to write September. Sept means abbreviation, you can write it. If it is May, May you have to write. January, Jan. February. Write it name of month. Then leave the space. To address. No need to write it TO2. Directly it is understood. Below that date, we have to write it address, to address. I told the chairman Sri Manjunatheshwara educational education trust Vidya Nagar Dharwad 580004. To address, whatever the address they have given, that you have to write it. So from address, date, to address. So the chairman, Sri Manjunatheshwara Education Trust, Vidyanagar, Dharwad. So like that you have to write it. Then here you have to exactly straight in that you have to write it here. Salutation. Respected sir. You have to leave some space. Below that you have to write respected sir. Then subject. Leave space. Subject. Application for the post of English lecturer for the post of the English lecturer. Here subject. Then body of the letter. So body of the letter you have to start. This letter is with reference of your advertisement which appeared in the Deccan Herald. Deccan Herald, dated 7th September 2020 for the post of lecturer in English. I have completed my MA Master of Arts in English from Mysore University with 75%. So I am working as an English lecturer in Pramana PU College, Raichur, for past 3 years. I hope my qualification, qualification and experience suits your requirement. Then next here you can write it here, with regards, then thank you, yours faithfully. So like this, to the point, body of the letter here to be written. I told you that two ways, a letter of application giving all the details that if you are writing first one, everything should be written in this body of the letter. Second way, that it is covering. See, I have given example of second type. Here it is covering letter, then biodata comes. You have to give all detail in your biodata. So like this letter is with reference of your advertisement which appeared in the Deccan Herald dated 7th September 2020 for the post of lecturer in English. I have completed my MA in English from Mysore University with 75%. I am working as an English lecturer in Pramana PU College, Raichur for past 3 years. I hope my qualification and experience suits your requirement. With regards. So like this, here to the point you have to write it. Then after this you can just take it, biodata. So what you should do here, with regards, then you have to leave some space, and yours. Thank you, then yours faithfully, XXX. So like this. Now here covering letter it has completed. My qualification and experience suits your requirement. With regards, thank you, yours faithfully, XXX. In your examination you have to write, don't put apostrophe here. I tell you, don't put apostrophe here. Thank you, yours faithfully, XXX. It is enough. Covering letter is finished. Now biodata. Here biodata. You have to write it biodata. So, in this what? One by one. Here straight, it should be straight. Name, here X, then address, Y, then nationality, Indian. See here name, address, nationality. See one by one. See one by one you have to write it. Then education, qualification. So, nationality, name, address, nationality, education, qualification. So, here name of exam, maybe here board or university, then here, then percentage, so like this. Here you have to write it neatly. You have to put a table, this table. Then for example, name of the exam, board and university, in which year you have passed, percentage, PUC, then department here, PU, board, Bangalore, then in which year you have passed, 2006, maybe percentage, then BA, Gulbarga, Gulbarga University, 2009, then 80%, next here next MA. On this MA you are going to select maybe Mysore University, 2012, 75%. So, like this, neatly you have to specify whatever the board exams, then university exams, in which university you have written, taken the certificates, and also what percentage you have got in BA, PUC, MA and university. Everything in a detail you have to write it in your biodata, and I have given approximately years. See, be aware of that. When they call, just you have to, don't write your present age, then you are not going to complete MA. So, approximately I have given these are the what years that imagine, you have to imagine that I have completed in that year, and also in that covering letter we have given 3 years experience, that also we have to include, and according to that you have to write it in your job application biodata, that too in examination. Be aware of that. Blindly don't write it any one of this what year. They will be so sharp, they will find out how can it possible to complete. So, that is what here. When you are going to give this year, imagine that you have completed PUC, BA, MA and then applied for job. Applying job may be gap. Suppose if you are shown in means written in body of the letter 3 years, 5 years, 6 years experience, that also by seeing that you have to give the what right year. Then only be aware of just blindly don't write it. That is what. Next comes here space, you have to leave, then experience 3 years as English, 3 years as English lecturer in Pramana PU college. This is what experience, Raichur. Then language known, language known, language known. If we have to write it Kannada, then English, Hindi, you have to write it. Then even further anything other some qualification, if you know that also you can write it, you can add that also. So, that is what here. After that here next computer knowledge, computer knowledge. For this you can write it basic tally. Then other interest here may be reading books, then playing chess, like this. So, in this way you have to write it. So, from beginning step by step you have to write it without any mistake. They will be very alert to find some mistakes what you have written. So, that should not be there. Means you should not give the chance to them to find a mistake. Means without mistake you have to write it. So, that is what here. 2 types of letters. One is giving detail in body of the letter, and second is what? With biodata. So, this one with biodata, that example I have what given one example. So, in your previous question paper you can see the question number 32, it is what given in your question paper, and that to job application, and 5 marks for that. Go through or that previous question paper, try to write it neatly without mistake, single mistake, then only they will give 5 out of 5. Suppose if you put yours faithfully, in that yours, if you put apostrophe, then the marks will not be what? You are not going to get 5 out of 5. So, be careful, and even in workbook one format example they have given, go through and do well. Thank you. In my next class, some other in grammar itself, let us see another part, that pronouns and this job application. In that pronoun it is 4 marks, and job application 5 marks, 9 marks. You have to be perfect. Next class, another one exercise I will engage. Thank you.